You use this the same way you use a disposable pad. Put it in your underwear, and instead of having a sticky tab, you snap it. So here I am sewing my cord together. This is your core. So this is where you use your old towel, washcloth, and stack that together. You sew that together. If you have fleece I had from Walmart for $1 in a little arts and crafts section, and you just would take an old panty liner or something and cut out that shape, that pattern. I just stretched it out and made it a little longer. So that's your core, the towel. You can use multiple layers of towel if you don't have fleece, or I used fleece in the middle of 2 towels. There I sewed my core to the topper, which was a pillowcase that I just drew my pattern onto. Now I am sewing the back. See, that's the back of his underwear. I just put that, sandwiched that together and sewed around on the actual line. That made it a lot easier. Cut as close as I could after I sewed on the line. And then this is the part where you want to turn it inside out. That's why I left that little space there. I'm going to turn it inside out. So I turned it my right side in and tuck your little tags down. Just iron it, press it down neat. This is I'll have a more detailed video how to do this, but this was just a quick. Add your little top stitch around, pick your snaps. I'm getting a lot better. I'm really crafty. I'm good with it. I just got to get neater with the sewing machine. And then this is me adding the snaps, which I think I'm going to speed this part up. I know I was talking through some of this, but I think I'm going to just leave it as a voiceover. Excuse me if you hear the kids in the background, but yeah, this is... I was trying not to puncture the back of the pad where it would be a big hole in it. So that's why I took my time using it all to place the hole. And then I think I'm going to just speed the rest of this up, and I think I talk at the end. And yeah, so just keep watching. So since that one goes down, this one will go up. Okay, so you'll have one both ways, basically. Okay, so here we are. Okay. I still have to practice on lining up my zigzag stitch, but I definitely love the zigzag stitch on top I wanted to try this without doing that seam down the middle like I did, like I just did on this liner. And I did on a few of my cloth pads. But yeah, so got the snap on. And I actually just made this out of my ex-boyfriend's old underwear. So that's what the back is. Some whatever men's underwear or jersey knit, I don't know. The top is a big pillowcase that I used because I want, like I said, I want to practice making these before I actually start using my Zorb and everything. So it has a flannel, or is this fleece core, fleece in the middle of two terry cloths. So terry cloth, fleece, terry cloth. The topper is 100% cotton pillowcase. So I have a few of these actually that I'm going to be practicing doing. See. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna show you it closed up. It would be like this. Try to do this with one hand.